Need reliable heating, cooling, or refrigeration services? Welcome to Chacon Air Conditioning and Heating Inc., proudly serving Sebring, Florida with professional solutions. With 35 years of experience, we deliver dependable service, expert workmanship, and efficient climate control solutions. Our services include commercial HVAC, industrial refrigeration, refrigeration for supermarkets and restaurants, residential HVAC, thermostat repair and replacement. Call us at 863-449-1828 or 863-449-7515. Or visit ChaconAirConditioningInc.com to get a free estimate. Choose Chacon Air Conditioning and Heating Inc. for trusted expertise, lasting comfort, and HVAC solutions you can count on.